Archive No. 8. Demons. Source: ERREMENTARI, the Blacksmith, and the Demon. The demons are shown as scary supernatural creatures with dark and disturbing bodies. They have sharp teeth, long claws, and unnatural movements that make them look inhuman. The demon Sartale is a powerful being who can trick people, control their minds and their souls. These demons act like hunters, pulling victims into a cruel underworld. Their appearance is inspired by old folklore, but the film gives them a violent and realistic horror style. Hell is shown as a brutal place where demons feed on pain and fear. Beware